As we age, maintaining muscle strength becomes one of the most important, yet often overlooked parts of staying healthy, active, and independent. After the age of 70, many people believe that losing muscle is just a natural part of getting older. But what if I told you that it's absolutely possible to rebuild muscle mass even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond? The secret lies not just in exercise, but in what you eat. And today, I'll show you exactly what foods can help you turn back the clock and rebuild muscle, naturally, safely, and effectively. You see, as we get older, our bodies become less efficient at using the protein we eat to repair and grow muscle tissue. That's why older adults need a higher quality source of protein, along with specific nutrients that boost muscle recovery and prevent loss. The first key food is high-quality protein, and one of the best sources is eggs. They contain all 9 essential amino acids and are rich in leucine, a powerful amino acid that triggers muscle growth. Just 1 or 2 eggs a day, especially for breakfast, can make a real difference in maintaining muscle strength. Another excellent choice is Greek yogurt. Not only is it packed with protein, but it also contains calcium and probiotics, which help digestion and nutrient absorption. Try having a cup after your morning walk or as a light evening snack. Combine it with nuts or berries for extra nutrients. But protein alone isn't enough. The body also needs a vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids to help muscles recover and grow stronger. Foods like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are fantastic for this. Studies have shown that omega-3s can actually increase the body's ability to build muscle in response to exercise, especially in older adults. If you don't eat fish, you can add flax seeds or chia seeds to your meals for a plant-based alternative. Now let's talk about something many people overlook: plant proteins. Lentils, beans, and chickpeas are not only good sources of protein, but they also contain important minerals like magnesium and potassium that support muscle function. A simple bowl of lentil soup or chickpea salad every day can help fuel your muscles while keeping your heart healthy. For rebuilding muscle after 70, another essential nutrient is creatine. And no, it's not just for athletes. Natural sources like red meat and tuna contain creatine, which helps muscles recover faster and improve strength during daily activities, like walking or climbing stairs. In fact, research has shown that older adults who consume enough creatine have better muscle tone and balance. Let's not forget leafy green vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and broccoli. These foods are rich in nitrates, which improve blood flow to the muscles, allowing them to get more oxygen and nutrients. That means better recovery and less fatigue after any physical activity. And here's something powerful that's often ignored: the timing of your meals. For older adults, spacing protein throughout the day is far more effective than eating most of it at dinner. Try to include a good protein source with every meal. For example, eggs for breakfast, chicken or lentils for lunch, and fish or tofu for dinner. This keeps your muscles nourished all day long. Also, don't underestimate hydration. Muscles are about 75% water, and even mild dehydration can lead to muscle weakness or cramps. So drink plenty of water and herbal teas throughout the day, especially if you're taking medication that increases fluid loss. Finally, pair your nutrition with light activity, like walking, gentle stretching, or resistance bands. Food builds the foundation, but movement tells the body to use it. Together, they work as a natural, powerful way to regain strength, stability, and energy. So, if you're over 70 and feel like your muscles aren't what they used to be, don't lose hope. Start by changing what's on your plate. Eat eggs, fish, Greek yogurt, beans, leafy greens, and stay consistent. Within weeks, you'll notice more energy, better balance, and stronger muscles. Age may change your body, but with the right foods, you can stay strong, mobile, and vibrant no matter what year it says on your birth certificate. And remember, it's never too late to start rebuilding your strength. Every meal is a new chance to nourish your body and reclaim your vitality. So, the next time you sit down to eat, choose foods that help you live stronger, longer, and healthier.